Hello, hello, social media followers. Here's your attorney, Amanda Demanda, with a beautiful judge, Christina DiRaimondo. Right? Got it right? Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm used to saying it in Spanish. You know, I do all my stuff in Spanish, and then I remember I speak English, so it's quite fun. But she's here with us today. Thank you
for having me. I really appreciate it.
And we wanted to just talk really quick with all our social media followers of how important it is to remind the community not to fear the courts, because everyone's always scared. Oh, the courts seem so intimidating, but really it's just a building where I practice law. The judges are there to implement the law and help people get through hard times, right?
Right. We are open for business. We are the judges. We're here to serve the community. Whether you have an attorney or you want to file a case yourself, I'm currently in the family division, and I would say majority of my cases are pro se, meaning the person is representing themselves. And before that, when I was in the civil division in the county court, I did small claims court, and most of those cases are pro se cases. Same thing with domestic violence. You go down to the courthouse, there's somebody there who can instruct you, tell you exactly how to fill out the paper, and you file it and you can represent yourself. So there's really no reason to be intimidated by it. We are here to serve the community. It's customer service.
And we've seen a lot with divorces, the rise in divorces after 2020. It was a rough year for a lot of people, and sometimes you might think you don't have money for an attorney to do a divorce, and that's fine. If you can't do it, you can always go in person to help you with the forms or domestic violence. We don't want anybody to feel that they can't approach the courts just because it seems like scary. Like on TV, you see CSI and people are getting interrogated. That's not how it is. We're nice people. We all work in these buildings. We're very proud of it. And I have to personally say, and I've said to other judges, and I give thanks, and on here on social media, I've done it too, how grateful and honored I am to really practice mostly in Miami-Dade, and what this county has done in the judicial division to make sure that even during the 2020 crazy times, we were able to continue with the courts open, even if virtually, and that we could still be filing lawsuits, still representing the injured, and still giving people the justice in their day in court. And that's very important.
Yeah, no, it's been really remarkable what our county has done in our jurisdiction. I mean, we're, at least my division, in the family division, we are running at full steam. So we are open for business. It is as if there is no pandemic. Full hearings, full trials, full motion calendars. So we are very, very busy, and there's not a shortage of stuff to do right now.
Yeah, no, and it's funny, I say motion calendar, now I'm thinking of all these Zoom hearings we've had, and that one attorney that appeared as a cat, that was hysterical. And then but you kind of have to laugh it off because there's so much seriousness going on. So you got to remember, imagine you're an attorney and you're appearing before a judge as a cat, right? The judge is human. They understand.
Absolutely.
The guys didn't know how to turn off the filter. Yes. That's fine. So remember, these are people. Judges are people. Court is just a building. We as the public elect these great judges to serve on the bench to help us with our problems. So you should never fear courts. You should never fear attorneys. I know sometimes we come off strong, and that's good because we aggressively represent our clients. But we're here to help. My office is always here to help, and I love to have judges on to give the public information that maybe that they didn't know, and to make them feel comfortable. So if you ever have a question for me or the judge, you could follow her as well. I'm going to tag her in the comment section so that we can make sure we follow her great campaign. I think it's next year, right? We're campaigning.
I'm up for re-election in 2022.
Yeah. So we got to help the judge stay on the bench, because good judges make a big difference for all of us. So thank you so much for being here.
And thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little short segment. If you have any questions for either one of us, you can send us a direct message or follow us.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.